If you want to find unused apps or the least used apps on Android so that you can uninstall them and make space free in your Android device, then what you do is go to settings here, scroll down, and in Samsung device you will find this option device care. Tap on it, select this option storage, and here there is an option unused apps. Tap on it. So right now there are 12 unused apps and they are taking 1.56 gigabyte of the internal space. Now here you have to check what applications are installed. There are applications which comes along with the phone and you might need it, like Samsung Find, Samsung Free, etc. So try to uninstall only those applications which you have installed yourself or which you really don't need. For example, this Spotify or YouTube Music, I don't need it. So if I want to uninstall it, then I will select it and then select this option uninstall, and by doing that I will save 98.81 MB of the internal storage. So find unused apps, delete them and make space free in your Android device. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful.